Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make an Instagram post. If you want to post on Instagram, all you need to do is to click on the plus sign at the top right. Here you can make a post, you can post a reel, you can post story, you can post story highlight, and you can go live. If you want to make an Instagram post, you click on post. You look for the image you want to post, the image or videos, anyone you want to post. You click on the one you want to post. If you want to post multiple images, you click on this copy icon here. Here you have to select multiple images. As you can see, you can select multiple images, as many as you can. After selecting multiple images, you click on next. Here you can change filter to the image. Is a normal, you can change filter just to change how the image looks. You can change. If you don't want to change, you can leave it to normal. After selecting the filter of your choice, you click on next. Here you have the image you want to put. You can write the caption, the title. After writing, you click on OK. Then you can tag people you want to tag. You can add your location. You can tick if you want it to be shared also in your Facebook, you can tick your Facebook. If you want it to be shared in your Twitter as well, you can tick, and so on and so forth. Go to the advanced settings. If you want to turn off commenting, you can turn off commenting for this particular post. If you want to hide likes and view count, you can turn it off. Then after all that, you click on share, and your post will be posted into your Instagram timeline. So guys, that is it on how to post on Instagram. I believe the tutorial is helpful. If it is, kindly give me a thumbs up by liking the video, and please, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.